about me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
So the end of my freshman year of college is coming soon, so today I figured I'd build a setup revolving the laptop I've been using. This is the Asus X205. It's an 11.6-inch little guy running on an Intel Atom clocked at 1.5 GHz and 2 GB of RAM. You can probably tell from those specs alone that gaming on this thing is virtually impossible, but for tasks like web browsing, watching YouTube, and of course, writing papers, it does well. Moving along here, the display is a 23.8-inch from HP that I borrowed from my sister's setup. I couldn't seem to find a model name anywhere, but either way, it looks great. The bezels are super thin, and the colors aren't too bright, but manage to pop. If you've seen any other video of mine, you'll recognize the keyboard, the E-Element mechanical keyboard I picked up a few years back. Recently, I did switch to an 87% one that I had sitting in my drawer just collecting dust, and it's been great. But this one will always have a special place in my heart. The mouse is a non-chroma Razer Naga. It's had more than quite a few hiccups when it comes to the scroll wheel freezing or the sensor not registering my movement, but the side buttons are truly a godsend, especially when it comes to productivity tasks. Lastly, this picture of Daft Punk is the Davoom Time Box. I recently did a mini review on it, so if you have any questions, go check it out. Before we get to the end of the video, I want to thank you guys on 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for the support you guys have been giving the channel, and just know that I wouldn't be doing it without you guys. It's been kind of cool going on this weird journey with you, and hopefully you guys stay for the future. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to see more content, and thanks for watching.
This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.